Bitter melon is reported to help in the treatment of diabetes and psoriasis. It has also been reported that bitter melon may help in the treatment of HIV. Bitter melon is the English name of Momordica charantia. Bitter melon is also known by the names Corella and balsam pear. Bitter melon grows in tropical areas, including parts of East Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, and South America, where it is used as a food as well as a medicine. It is a green cucumber-shaped fruit with gourd-like bumps all over it. It looks like an ugly, light green cucumber. The fruit should be firm, like a cucumber. And it tastes very bitter. Although the seeds, leaves, and vines of bitter melon have all been used, the fruit is the safest and most prevalent part of the plant used medicinally. The leaves and fruit have both been used occasionally to make teas and beer, or to season soups in the Western world. Bitter melon was traditionally used for a dazzling array of conditions by people in tropical regions. Numerous infections, cancer, leukemia, and diabetes are among the most common conditions it was believed to improve. Bitter melon is reported to help in the treatment of diabetes and psoriasis. It has also been thought that bitter melon may help in the treatment of HIV, but the evidence thus far is too weak to even consider. The ripe fruit of bitter melon has been suggested to exhibit some remarkable anti-cancer effects, but there is absolutely no evidence that it can treat cancer. However, preliminary studies do appear to confirm that bitter melon may improve blood sugar control in people with adult-onset type 2 diabetes. The blood-lowering action of the fresh juice of the unripe bitter melon has been confirmed in scientific studies in animals and humans. At least 3 different groups of constituents in bitter melon have been reported to have hypoglycemic, blood sugar lowering, or other actions of potential benefit in diabetes mellitus. These include a mixture of steroidal saponins known as carotene, insulin-like peptides, and alkaloids. It is still unclear which of these is most effective or if all 3 work together. Nonetheless, bitter melon preparations have been shown to significantly improve glucose tolerance without increasing blood insulin levels, and to improve fasting blood glucose levels. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more video updates. Thank you.